everyone, welcome to Production Music Live. This is João, and I've got a new Soundbank. This time is for the Sub 37 and Subsequent 37 by Moog. And as always, you have 100 presets in all different categories. And you also have 100 MIDI files, one for each preset to get you started. And for those who don't own the Moog hardware, you also have the audio loops recorded from these MIDI and preset combos, both with effects and without any effects, so you can use them in your productions. So in this video, I'm going to show you the project of the demo track that I created to showcase this Soundbank. And this demo track was created only using audios from the pack, except for the kick drum. There are a couple of kick drums here from other PML packs. And everything else, every other drums and every other effects that you listen to are coming from these audio files that I created recording the hardware. And first we're going to listen to the full track. Then I'm going to show you some of the instruments that I created chopping up the samples, like drums, etc. And in another video, I'm going to record some of these MIDI files into audio live and show you the whole process of creating the pack. So first, let's listen to the demo track and see how it sounds. All right, that's it. A lot of interesting stuff in there. Of course, if you have the hardware, you can use the MIDI and change every note and make it your own. If you don't have the hardware, even with just the audios, there's a lot you can do. I created some instruments using just the one sample from the big loops. This clap, this snare. You also have some hats here. Closed one. This snarey clap or this clappy snare. And more of an open hats. I also created this plucky sound from one of the lead sounds. That sounds like this. So there's a lot you can do even with just the audio. But of course, if you have the hardware, you can use the MIDI and record all your stuff and change everything to make it fit your sound. And that's what we are going to demonstrate in the next video. So this one is just to make a little bit of a showcase and show you what you can do with the pack. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.